Okay. Yeah, from last visibility till today, the development and the whatever we have released the QA is in the country. The alerts part is delivered. Sanctions was already we have shown demo in the last visibility meeting. CAA info is delivered and capabilities, flight requirement alerts. So these are the things which are delivered in the country module, in the airport module, alerts and contacts. So these are the features which are released in QA and the testing is ongoing. So I have Nitesh, Bharat and Naga with me, who are the developer of the particular features. So now Nitesh is going to walk through us on CAA info and alerts for yeah. So I'll give it to Nitesh.
Hi all, Nitesh here. First, I will go through CAA info. Once I click on any country data, it will redirect to the read-only mode. And there, if I go to CAA info, CAA is already filled, and these are all the fields. When I click on the edit icon, the CAA dropdown will be defaultly selected. And if I click on the nav insurance, uh, select something payment, and we can select weekends and Sunday, and we can select languages. As in last call, as we discussed, this the public weekends is on still discussion. You can public. When I click on save button, then the confirmation message will be appear. The data will be saved. When I can click on when I click on edit button, then also we can edit something. Select Africa. This is for CAA submodule. Then I will move on to the alert sections. When you click on alert button, then you will get the this company alerts will be appear. When you click on the create, you can create anything. The today date will be defaultly selected, and you can select from today onwards. 31. You can select category. This will be multi-select drop down, and you can select type. This is also multi-select drop down. When you click on save, then the same pop-up will be appear for confirmation. The save data will be appeared here. When you click, you can search here. You can ascending, descending, like in AG grid. When you click on row, then it will redirect to the row edit. This will be the read-only mode. When you click on edit, you can edit. When you can edit anything. So I will select all, and here I will select all. And if I save, So you can edit in here itself. You can delete any alerts. So if you click on delete button, then the data will be deleted. So this is from country module. Yeah, if you have any questions in alerts, country alerts and country CAA.
Yes. First thing in under CA. Sorry, there is some noise, I think, from a mobile. Yeah. So the first thing here, if you can see, I think the multi-selected, like whenever you multi-select something in edit mode, here in the view mode, it does not show like clearly what was multi-selected. Like there is no separated, you know, like for example here, UAS direct, operator direct. So there has to be some separators, you know, or if there are many, there has to be a list, like you have to show it, like click on an icon here to show a list of nav payment, for example.
Yeah,
If there are
actually,
more than two.
Sopan, our UI team is working on that one. This one, I think, this will be released to QA by end of the day.
Sure, sure. And under edit, go to edit.
Okay.
Yeah, you can select CA or no?
No, you
Is
can't
it
say.
disabled?
No, it's disabled.
No, you should be able here to change. I mean, it's already binded. It's already one-to-one, no problem.
Okay.
But if, for example, we need to change something here, or you know, I mean, because it's a drop down, right? So so this should be enabled.
Okay. We will do.
No problem. But by default, it will be one-to-one relationship, so there is no problem.
Okay.
The other part is in alerts. If you go to alerts,
Okay.
yes, there is the same issue with multi-select.
Yeah.
Multi-select.
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
this
The other thing
also
is,
UI team is working on.
sure. The other thing, go to edit, please.
Okay.
Yeah, if you click on the icon, the calendar icon,
The calendar.
click on the calendar icon.
Okay.
The other one, no, the end date. Yeah. See how it hides. I mean, behind the widget. No, if you go minimize, if you minimize the widget.
Yeah. That one is also we are working on that.
Yeah, check these kind of issues. Because this one you will fix it you will work on it once, and it will fix everywhere.
Yeah, sure, true. Other than this, is there any feedbacks?
No problem. Maybe we will comment at the end. No problem.
Okay. Then I will move to the airport alerts. When you click on the alerts, then the airport alert will be displayed. When you can create here 16. The category here also multi-select, and type is also multi-select. When you click on save, then alert will be saved and the details will be showed here. When you click on this, then it's go to read only mode, and we are working on this multi select drop downs. And when you click on edit, you can edit here. I will select all, and I will select all. When you click on save, then again confirmation message will be appear. You can delete here also. It's basically like country alerts, same. So this is airport alerts. So you have any feedbacks here?
No, not from my side.
Okay, then I think I'm complete with my side. My colleague Bharat will handle.
Hi, Safwan Imran.
Hi.
Hi, I am going through this airport contacts. Submodules. We have multiple tab sets. These are the contact categories. Airport authority, general information, customer information, all are the contact categories. And if user enter any data, if he had entered any contacts, only I will show these tabs, these fields. General information. Else it will be the empty completely. And user can edit this one. Yeah.
Yeah, basically, Safwan, this is still under development. So we have already found a couple of issues and some UI alignment, and thing is in the parallelly we are working it.
Okay, sure, no problem.
Okay.
But here, if you try to add, try to add another phone, for example.
Phone is already there. Select. User can select here the contact types. When he selects, I will show the text boxes.
Right. Right. Does it allow you to add multiple? For example, if I want to add another mobile phone or another phone number.
No, we can't add multiple mobiles or any contacts.
I think probably we will need that. We need to be able to add multiple, but I will double check with Jimmy. No problem.
Okay.
I would agree with that. I think that we definitely need multiple.
Okay, great.
Numbers, yeah.
Okay.
So this one, once you press on add, it should say that phone number 1, phone number 2.
Yeah, okay.
It's like this, just to
example like mobile 1, mobile 2, like that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Something like this, yeah.
Now we give only the single data, like only one mobile bus can enter. You can see here, like that, all the categories are same fields and same data.
Safwan and Duke, is it we need to give an option of adding multiple only for mobile, or everything users should be having access to the add email one, email two, phone one, phone two, fax one, fax two, like that.
Hmm. Yes, and it'll be good to be able to have that, and also have one that designates the primary means of the communication.
Okay, basically for all the fields it should be a multiple the value we should be able to add, right?
Right. Correct.
Okay, okay, yeah,
Hmm.
sure, Duke, we'll make a note of it. Yeah, this is also one of the known issue. We are fixing it in the already our QA team has identified the defect. So if, for yesterday we have released the code, so we have to go back and yeah, yeah. So this is the one which I have added. So the general information is updated. Sorry, I have a bad throat. So custom immigration, basically airport authority, the contact details, it will be the the same logic is applied for all the categories. So custom immigration also. So if I remove, you can see that automatically the fields will be disappeared from the list. So
Is there a way to show the primary or favorite means of communication on this one? Like have a little star or something next to the one that, or a checkbox that is next to the one that the client or the contact feels like that's the best means of communication.
that we have to check that, Duke. Basically, we mean to say that mobile one is a primary means we have to show it like star something like that, right? Preferred way of contact. How it is.
Yeah, I think that that's going to be the best way to do that, because if he adds the new mobile and the other ones become subservient to that one, is there a way to bring that one all the way to mobile one so that people aren't going through that procession if they've got two or three different mobiles, that they're not trying the lower priority ones first?
Okay.
Safan,
Right. I think in this case, no problem.
yeah,
I think
because we are vendor
we
vendor
can
model.
we can change. Sorry, Manju. So we can change this view. I mean, instead of showing it like this, phone next to it, mobile next to it, email,
Mhm.
we can show it as a table where we have, like a column called medium.
Mhm.
Then next column, the value of this medium, which is could be a phone or mobile or email. Then next to it, if it's a primary or not,
Can you confirm once with
it will
Jimmy?
have a check.
Because Jimmy only sent
It's
me the
primary.
doc.
Yeah, sure. No problem. I
Okay.
mean,
Once we discuss Jimmy,
I
we can
discussed
change it.
also this. I remember discussing. Yeah, I remember even discussing this with Jimmy. He was telling
Mhm.
me that we
Same
might
like
we might add additional phone numbers or additional mobile
vendor
numbers.
and country contacts.
Yeah, same like that. No problem. I'll double check. I will let you know. You are mentioning the design, right? The layout.
So we have a briefing AIS section. So yeah, briefing I have added, and yeah, the same way we have ATC and slot coordination. So, yeah, we have our QA team already identified a couple of issues. So the in the development team will be fixing that, Safwan.
Okay, no problem.
Main madam.
Are we in the middle of the sprint or end of the sprint?
Yes, no, actually we are in a middle of the, I can't say middle also, like 75% of the, the work is done. So the demo is on Thursday. So ideally by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, all the feedback will be addressed from the QA team, and the team will be get ready for the demo.
Sure, sure. Thanks.
Yeah.
Safan, are you seeing the screen, the contacts page?
Yes, yes.
This is the vendor module.
Probably yes, Manju. Probably it will be similar to this one, but
Okay.
but if you go to the list, not this one. There is a list, the list of
Just open
contacts.
list ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ.
Yeah.
1 second, it's opening.
Yeah, probably it will be something like this, where you don't need access.
Okay.
It's not. I mean, it's redundant in airport contacts. You just need, for example, the medium info and if it is the primary or not primary contact.
Okay, just double check with Jimmy. Just Jimmy is confirmed. Just give him the confirmation. We'll change it.
No problem.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yeah, the next the module like feature is in the country flight requirement. So Naga will walk through us on that.
Hi all.
Hi.
Yeah. So let me walk through the flight requirements module which has been developed. So for that I will select United States as a country. Then I click on flight requirements submodule. So here we are displaying the flight requirements which is created for the countries. So let me go and create one record. So here flight requirement, flight category, services, through, and lead time and permit validity are the mandatory fields. So let me select flight categories, and all these things are multiple selection. This drop down will be changed to similar drop radio button like how we have given for days and hours. By default, no is will be checked. No will be the default value that is checked for the required field. So that is actually in progress. And we will also put the rich text editor for this, which is in the development environment. So let me save this. So here you can see the newly created flight requirements, and I can go and modify this. So here, do we need to automatically calculate the value for lead time and permit validity if I toggle between days and hours, or what's your suggestion on that, Safan?
Yes, I guess yes.
Yeah, I would
If
agree
it's-
with that.
Because
you can
30
switch
days,
between,
if I take
I mean, based on the unit.
something similar to what we have in
Go
the aircrafts where we toggle between kg and pounds. So the value automatically.
Right.
So we'll adopt the same thing here as well.
Yeah. Thanks.
No, just 2 minutes. So I can update the records. I can also delete the records. Yeah, server is built little slow, so it's taking time to reflect. Yeah. And also, I think Kushal had posted some queries regarding the uniqueness of service and category. If service is deleted, the master data is deleted, how it has to be reflected in the flight requirements. I think Safan has responded for that. We'll check how the impact on implementing that, Safan.
Sure, no problem.
Any other feedback or suggestion on this?
No, I don't think so.
Looks pretty straightforward.
Yes. Manju has something to show.
So, Phone, I have one doubt regarding the countries. Here, actually, we are using some APIs like REST API.au regarding such. But here, showing United States, we are actually binary United States of America, but here showing United States. Are you okay with this?
So is this API, is this website something that's free or something trusted, or?
It's a trusted. Not this one. We are using some other one, but it's a trusted. It's a JSON. All this is JSON format. But here the country only showing the United States. That only this country.
I see.
Why we are
I'm not sure.
Yeah, just check.
Sorry, I'm not sure if we can. Yeah, go ahead, Turk.
Yeah, I don't see it by itself, but that being an issue, if that's the only issue. But like the concern that was raised was, the source. So if it's a solid source, then we should be fine.
I think Manju just send us the link.
Sure, I'll check.
And we will double check because probably we will be more interested into checking the source of the details rather than the data itself.
I will share the link. Just give me the what can be used. I'll use that one. This is a free one.
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you, Jimmy. Thank you. Sorry, Safwan and Mihai and Doug.
Sure.
Yeah, Mihai,
Thank you.
Yeah, we will have a Thursday. We'll have a demo where we are going to walk through you guys on the total the sprint release with a sprint 13 planning. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chinmay.
Have a nice.
Is there a way to speed up the development a little, because we're still moving very slow?
Mihai, like we already, the whole team is in full pace, and weekends also, we are working. But yeah, still, we are already considering that option of making up a speed. We'll increase the speed, and we'll see how soon we'll complete the CMS.
Okay.
I think I have one thing. Last time I was checking like based on our feedback. So I'm not sure exactly. Maybe you can compile us a list of what has been already resolved based on the feedback that comes from me and Jimmy and all others.
Yeah, sorry, Safwan. Actually, if you see my that presentation PPT which I will share, so there each and like in the slide I will mention each and every meeting what are the the feedback given, whether we have incorporated that or not. That I usually I will mention that, so you can
right
always.
Okay, no problem. Okay, we will discuss then on Thursday.
Yeah, sure. And yeah, most of your feedbacks will be addressed in the sprint only. Some of the feedbacks which needs more effort, usually we will take it to the next sprint, or if it is user improvement, yeah, I have created a separate deck for that. So user improvement we will take up at the end of the our sprint, the feature release. Basically CMS, once it is the like next release, next is customers and vendors. So those are the big chunks. So if we complete that, after that, or parallelly at the end of the sprint, we will take up the user improvements, and we'll have. I think we need to have a discussion for that to incorporate that. Then we will take up that software.
Sure. Chinmay, there is one thing related to data import.
Okay.
So we have that practice before with the US team, where they requested data seeder from us while they are working on the module. So I was working on CSV files and sending them while they are working on that. So they this is why like I wanted to check how your process is like. When we will be reaching to a point where we say, okay, let's upload some details to check and test the module.
Yeah, Safwan, I will check with our backend team, and I will update you, Safwan. But because as of now, they are not in the call. They had some parallel work. So yeah, definitely I will check with them and I will update you. We can do that.
Okay, sure.
Whatever the practice is there, we will follow it. There's not absolutely no issue in that.
Okay, thank you, Chinmay.
Okay, thank you, Mihai. Thank you, Duke.
Okay, thank you.
Have
Bye.
a great day, and
Thanks, guys.
yeah, Mihai and Safwan have a nice evening. Bye bye.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.